how to set a reminder on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to set a reminder on your iPhone in just few seconds. So let's dive right in. Open up your reminders app and then go to the plus icon in the bottom right corner, and then you can put a title. I'll put meeting at 3 p.m. And then you can even put some notes if you want to. You can even put in a URL link, and then you can toggle on the date and then choose the date and the time, and then you can put in the time zone. You can toggle on if it is urgent, and then you want to if you want to repeat it, you can mark the repetition, like you can put in weekdays, and then you can just tap on the tick option at the top right, and the reminder has been set. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.